Hey Wesley, big shout out my friend. Keep doing what you can to improve yourself, be a great example for other people. The right ones will follow you, the wrong ones won't. And keep 10xing your business.
Wesley Virgin, it's the one and only Floyd Money Mayweather. Keep inspiring people to be the best that they can be.
What it do, it's your boy Big Snoop Dogg with a big shout out to my nephew Wesley Virgin. Listen to my main man Wes, cause Wes is the best, so says the capital S and double OP.
Hi, Mr. Wonderful here. So I'm doing a shout out for Wesley Virgin. He's trying to help millions of people find a way out of what the rat race has become. People are worried. So check out Wesley.
Hey folks, how about I log in right now to one of my accounts and show you what I've earned in the last 30 days. Now listen, I want you to imagine something. I want you to imagine yourself in 30 days taking action today with me, right? Getting the software, shutting up the naysayers and doing this. Now, check it out. I'm gonna log in here, okay? And the reason why I'm doing this is because I just want to be very transparent with you. No one is actually going to log into their account and show you the numbers here, because many people on the internet, they want to deceive you, but I want your trust, and to do that I got to be transparent with you, and I got to show you the type of money that I'm bringing in and let you know that it's very possible for you. Okay, transactions, okay, and if I do last 30 days, can you see that? Okay, you see that, right? And if you look at the number here, it's $130,000. Listen, what would that do for you and your family? What would it do to your life? By taking simple actions. I don't know where you are. I don't know who you are. I don't know why you're watching this video here. But I'm here to let you know that it's freaking possible for you to transition your life financially by taking massive action here. The reason why I earned $130,000 last month, it's not because I'm smart, it's not because I'm intelligent, it's not because I have a degree. I dropped out of school. It's because I was willing to take action what most people don't. And I want you to believe and understand that it can happen to you. But listen, right now, but you must decide in this moment, either today, tomorrow, next year, that this is the time for you to become financially independent using this very unique software that's doing it on autopilot here. I want you to have the dream. I want you to have that view. I want you to be able to take your family around the world. Why? Because you deserve it. Much love. I'll see you soon.
So I hope guys you got some value out this video. If that's so, please drop a like and subscribe with the bell notification on, as I am going to come with more such review videos along with massive bonuses. Also, if you have any question, let me know in the comments below. Goodbye.